We have arrived at the ferry, Bremerton Ferry. We're going to take this from Puget Sound over to Seattle. The cars are unloading from the ferry. The people are getting off the ferry. And then we'll be able to get on. Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are on an adventure today. We are going to head into Seattle. We're kind of at the south end of Puget Sound, right? Is that?
Yeah, we're in Bremerton right now.
We're in Bremerton. So in our last video, we arrived in Long Branch, Washington, and we have driven over here to the ferry. We're going to take this into Seattle. There's a few little attractions that we're going to come look at in Seattle, and I think Michael and Suzanne, who are here, we're visiting, are going to be our guides today. Is that right?
Yep, we're going to drag you guys around by your ears.
Uh-oh. It could be painful. We'll see. Look at all those cool jellyfish down here just floating around in the water.
Wow.
So there's some over this way too. Look at this. Maybe they like the fact that the boat stirs up the water so much. So this is the view that we have at the front of the ship, and you can see that we can't see very far. Part of the whole deal of Puget Sound is that it's just lots of little islands out here, and we're just kind of going to be going through those on our way over to Seattle. This area over here to the right is the naval shipyard. They build ships there. I don't know how active it is, but there are quite a few ships that are anchored there right now. Name of this ship. All the important people up there.
Then what are we doing down here?
I don't know. Oh, there's Seattle. Coming out around the island here, so that's where we are headed. And here is the city. Okay, we are in the city. We have made it to Seattle. So the ferry is behind us now, and
It's a beautiful day.
it's a beautiful day to visit Seattle.
Yes.
We have our jackets on though, but they'll be coming off real soon. But it does get a little cool on the ferry if you're outside. Really nice ferry though. And that big pointy thing in front of us right there is the Smith Tower. Used to be the landmark of the times. We're now walking down the waterfront. Look at these swings here. Keep you entertained. One person at a time, just sitting back, relaxing.
I'll take that.
You'll take it? There you go.
This is cool.
Yeah. Is it relaxing?
Yeah, comfortable. It's different than sitting on a bed.
So our first stop while we're here in Seattle is the Pike Place Market. Too many different things being thrown at me, I kind of mess up. But anyway, we are walking down the waterfront area here, and then we're going to get up to the Pike Place Market, someplace that you have to visit when you come to see Seattle. Okay, so what's the name of this?
This is just one of the piers. I don't remember the name of this pier.
So look at this Ferris wheel on this pier. Go up and see the sights from up above.
Are you going to?
No. No, just something to do in Seattle. You got to kind of make a choice of what you want to spend your money on though. Look at these sea tours here that you can book. So lots of things to do here. Here's the Sasquatch Mountain ride entrance. That looks kind of fun. That is Pier 57. That's this where the Ferris wheel is. And then if we zoom over here to the next pier, got like this squid out here. This is for all the kids. Kind of looks like a squid or something. Some kind of fishy thing, but the kids' play area. We have reached the Pike Place Market. This is another view here. There's the Ferris wheel looking out over the waterfront. We're up on top of the Pike Place. We went up the elevator. Another view of the city. We're in the Pikes Marketplace. Here's the Starbucks. They say this is the original Starbucks. Not really, but that's what they say. Been here for like 50 years. We are looking at the original Pike Place Market, the public marketplace.
1907.
This has been here since 1907, Michael says, so quite a long time. So this is inside. So we're just walking down here. This is the continuous, longest running farmers market in the United States. So pretty impressive. All kinds of things. You can find pretty much anything you ever want. There's 4 levels to this market. But this level of the market is where all the food is. It's the upper level. Oh, here we go. He's going to throw the fish.
Wild King, shipping today! Wild King, shipping today! Here! Blackfish with it! Blackfish with it!
Oh, he's not going to throw that one. Monkfish. That's a awful good looking monkfish. They got a good selection of all kinds of stuff here. So that was pretty cool. So nice little show. One thing is that it's a pretty good market here if you are interested in shopping. So all kinds of things. The lower levels, a lot of clothes and things like that. Yeah, for sure. Now we're going to go to the gum wall. This is a new little quirky that we're going to go check out and see. Well, no, it's been around forever, but so we're going to go check it out and show you what the gum wall is in Seattle.
Oh, it's on both sides. It's all over.
Okay, we have found the gum wall. So we're entering this alley. Look at the gum wall. So they actually came through here and scraped this all off. It's been here for years, and everybody got really mad. Came back down, and within a month or two, it was all back on here again. So this is a lot of people's gum. So add your DNA to the wall. Look, it just keeps on going through the whole alley here.
No, this doesn't make a guy hungry, nothing.
Oh, sorry. Thanks. Lots of different gum. Yeah, I think Nanette said she didn't bring any, so Michael said, well, just pull off some and chew it and put it back on. She didn't think that was very funny. She didn't want to do that. So we're not going to contribute to the gum wall. So our DNA is not going to be on the gum wall.
Who?
Our DNA. Yeah. We're not going to contribute. And then once we leave the gum wall alley there, then we come into this alley. This is called the Ghost Wall Alley. Has a lot of stickers and things on there. We didn't bring a sticker to add, so we can't contribute. Most of these are pretty good size though. There it is. We are leaving this whole attraction. Going to go on to our next quirky thing that we're here in Seattle to see. Well, we walked back to Ivan's, back down on the pier or wharf or whatever, waterfront, and we got some chowder. So this is a sourdough bread bowl for with chowder in it. So, and those guys over there got chowder. So anyway, it's good stuff.
Yeah, pretty good.
It's supposed to be the best, but that's what every store says, right?
Yeah.
We just got out of a lift, took lift from the waterfront to our next attraction here, Marin. Super lift driver, a lot of fun. We enjoyed that ride, so that worked out really well. Now look where we're at right now. I know some of you guys are getting tired of us looking for trolls. We're not really looking for them. We're just, if they're in the area, then we're gonna, go to trolls and everything. This particular one is made out of concrete, so that's definitely a little different than some of the other ones. It's under this big bridge. So this particular troll is not part of the Thomas Dambo trolls. This troll has been here since 1990, and this is the plaque that kind of talks about it. You can make out what it's saying there. So something a little different, another little quirky that we have visited here in Seattle. And look, the little VW bug. He's squishing the bug. So it's like a cyclops or he's a mean troll. And then this is the direction the troll is looking. This is called Troll Avenue. The Street of the Giants. Isn't this pretty cool how this bridge just goes along here right down that street? And to the side of the troll, we have this Troll's Knoll Forest. So we're gonna hike up in here and check out this forest a little bit. So this is a community park, and the troll itself is all managed by a community park. And so as we walk up through here, there's a bunch of different things. So they've just taken a place here and just made something out of it, just for people to kind of walk through and enjoy. So we got a cute things over here on the right, little watering station. We got a nice little tortoise over here.
Look at this neat thing.
So, yeah, and this bench here that's been all put together out of pieces of tile. Pretty cool. Fun little area. A few different little gardens here of different items. Everyone gets their own little garden box to grow something in. How about this sign? This is pretty cool. Yeah, just a bunch of different options there for where you want to go. The next stop, we made it. So we're using Lyft right now. We haven't gone to Uber. Uber was too much at the time, but getting confused on these Lyft drivers. It took us 3 chances, and we finally got a Lyft that would bring us to this destination. This is a Thomas Dambo troll here at the National Nordic Museum. So a little bit more detail on this troll compared to that last troll. This guy looks a little mischievous though, so I don't know, he's got his hands out there. And I don't know if this is supposed to be a lobster cage or whatever that he's crushing here, but he's smashing this box in front of him here. This troll is Frankie Feetsplinters, and he's troll 124 of the Thomas Dambo trolls. Well, we just had our last Lyft drive here in Seattle, and we're down at the terminal. That was Diaby. He's from Timbuktu. We can actually say we know somebody from we don't know him. We've met somebody from Timbuktu. Do you guys know that's a real place? He asked me if I knew that, and it's like, I do know it. It's like in Africa, correct? And he says, it is, and that's where he's from. So that's pretty cool. So now we're gonna take the fast ferry back to Long Branch. So we're down here at the ferry to see what's going on. And
Sorry.
oh, Ninette is sneaking up on Ninette here. So Michael and Suzanne is ahead of us, but we're just kind of strolling along here and enjoying our time, huh?
Yep.
It's been a beautiful day.
Oh yeah, it's been very nice.
Couldn't have asked for more, for sure. So it's been fun to visit Seattle, and this is the first time we've actually, well, we were here for a cruise, but we didn't walk around Seattle or do anything like we have this time, so that was kind of fun. So Anyway, let's go see what the status of the cruise is. This is called a fast cruise, so it's a lot faster ride back than coming over. We have arrived at Bremerton. We're back at the across the bay from Seattle, so beautiful day today.
Yes.
Had a great old time. So Michael took off. I think he went to get the car, but we still got Suzanne with us. But I think Ninette's had it for the getting around today, right? It's going to take a little bit of time to recover. So go home and soak her feet. We have to say thank you to Michael and Suzanne.
Come back. He won't move up. Oh, well, there we go. He is being a pill, as usual.
All right.
We love him. Most of the time.
Anyway, for taking us all around today, thank you.
Yes.
We appreciate it.
You're
Sure.
welcome.
It's fun.
So it's a lot of fun to go out and do things with these guys, and the weather couldn't have been
Perfect.
better.
Yes,
Yes,
perfect.
It was-
day.
Beat that.
You
Yeah,
know,
it's
when
been
you
a
get
good-
2 days out of the whole year.
And we had some,
It's not
yeah,
that bad.
we had some interesting Lyft drivers today.
Yes, we
That
did.
was interesting. Some interesting places and things, and I think we even picked up a new subscriber today.
Thanks.
So that's really great. So that was that was fun. Anyway, this finishes the trip. So we're just gonna say thanks for coming along with us. And do you guys got anything you want to add? Oh, I'm sure you do.
Let's go.
Nothing. I could use a coffee and a nap.
Yes.
Oh,
All at the
it's
same
past
time.
his nap time for sure. So
Mine too.
anyway, thanks for coming along. We'll see you on our next video or down the road somewhere. So
Okey-doke. Bye.
bye.
Hasta la vista.